强势水灾哦。
哦妈呀，比98年大洪水还要可怕！整个超市全部被冲毁啦。
As of 2 October 2025, the Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region in southern China is confronting severe flooding across multiple river basins and low-lying areas, following days of intense rainfall. The floods have caused widespread damage to infrastructure, agriculture, and local communities, demanding urgent emergency response. This report provides an overview of the causes, impacts, ongoing response, risks ahead, and recommendations for the short and medium term. In late September and early October 2025, Guangxi and neighboring regions endured persistent downpours linked to tropical weather systems and monsoonal moisture. Hydrological monitoring indicates that rivers feeding into the Xi, Liu, and Beilun systems have surpassed safe levels. Reports from county authorities confirm rainfall well above seasonal averages. The situation was intensified by already saturated soils, reduced infiltration, and rapid runoff from surrounding hills.
1楼都淹完了。
Flooding has been most severe in valleys, floodplains, and rural townships with weaker flood control systems. Many embankments, some outdated or poorly maintained, have been overtopped or breached. Low-lying residential zones were inundated, forcing thousands to evacuate. Rural areas, with more fragile housing and limited drainage, remain particularly vulnerable. Human and social impacts include mass displacement, rising health risks from contaminated water, and disruption of daily life.
Yeah. 喂，你们这些车要不要啊？不要5000块钱卖给我。
Agricultural livelihoods have been hit hard, with rice paddies, vegetable fields, and orchards submerged. Infrastructure losses include damaged roads, collapsed bridges, and disrupted electricity and telecommunications. Access to medical services has been delayed in multiple counties. Economic effects are extensive. Early assessments show heavy losses in farming and livestock, with rural economies struggling. Disrupted supply chains amplify the damage, while prolonged recovery could reduce future harvests. Secondary risks, landslides, embankment failures, and water contamination further complicate the outlook. Emergency response is active. Local and provincial authorities, backed by national agencies, have launched large-scale rescue operations. Evacuations are underway, and temporary shelters are providing basic needs. Food, water, medicine, and blankets are being distributed, while health teams monitor for waterborne diseases.
包裹几打就
快淹到了。
就是这个地方最深。
对，油门踩着别走。
过了这里就没事了。
妈的，这个宝马卸货了，宝马没用一下子，不要买宝马。
Engineering crews are reinforcing levees, clearing blocked channels, and restoring damaged roads. Hydrological agencies continue real-time monitoring and community alerts. Challenges remain. Continued rainfall could trigger new floods or landslides. Limited access to remote villages hampers relief delivery. Shortages of equipment and manpower strain local capacity. Public health risks from stagnant water remain high, while the restoration of agriculture and infrastructure could take months.
不会睡觉起来到2楼吧？
Không chạy mà thằng này đó, cao ý xiong này ó, hành mi nè. Một vòi, và ông mắt 6 tháng này một chọn vòi, tâm hiện mà thằng cái kể thiếu mù này thủ nó lo. Bắt tù ta khẩu.
Recommendations include strengthening early warning systems, conducting evacuation drills, and reinforcing drainage and embankments. Stockpiles of pumps, boats, and medical kits should be pre-positioned. Rapid post-flood damage assessments will be critical for recovery planning. Support for farmers through subsidies or insurance is essential to safeguard livelihoods. Health responses, water purification kits, mobile medical teams, and sanitation repair must be prioritized. In the long run, stricter land use controls and investment in modern flood control systems will reduce vulnerability.
Bên 已经下有差不多20个小时了，前天下午2点下到现在，看河水已差不多上岸了。
On the 2nd of October 2025, Guangxi's flood crisis underscores the urgency of balancing immediate rescue with long-term resilience. With coordinated action, strengthened infrastructure, and support for affected communities, Guangxi can limit human suffering and begin the path toward recovery. Thank you for watching this report on the flooding in Guangxi, China. Our thoughts are with the families and communities affected by this disaster. If you found this update informative, please consider subscribing and sharing this video to help spread awareness. Don't forget to like, comment, and stay tuned for more reliable updates on global events. Together, by staying informed, we can make a difference. Stay safe, and see you in the next report.